What's up, guys? Moonlapse Nightwind here again. Oh god, that camera. There we go. With another pack opening session. Stop by Walmart. Sorry, it is like almost 3 in the morning. It is 3 in the morning here. So, but we have I stopped at a Walmart, different Walmart than the other night. This one was was across the state line in Kentucky because their sales tax is so much cheaper than Tennessee. We have 6 markdown circuit breaks, 2 markdown extreme force, and then also the Cybernetic Horizon and Soul Fusion special editions. So we'll do our single packs first. Let's start with extreme force, actually, because there's only 2 of those. And yeah, if you didn't watch the last one, you're missing out because the polls were crazy. Let's see if we can top it. Not likely, but we'll see. So, okay, well, we started off with an ultra rare. There's also an underclock taker here. There's the underclock taker. And the ultra is Clara and Rushka, the Ventrilla duo. So, not bad. Not a bad start. Put the hollows over there. Let me get a sleeve for that as well. All right. Second and last extreme force. Well, there we go. Well, we got another ultra. Not the greatest one, but we got Xcode Talker, the cover card. So, Clara and Rushka, yeah, that can be useful, but this thing, not too much. Not unless you're playing Cybers, which not a lot of people, at least around here, do. Alright, now circuit break. We got 6 of these. So, let's see, can we get Borload or evenly matched? As long as I don't get a squib draw, I think we're good. Okay, well, our super is Metaphys Nephthys. So nothing too special there. Also, the phone is sitting on the bed, so if you hear the bed creak, there's a dog on there. Boomer is best boy. Oh, Boomer. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah. He's a good dog. I hope I actually got him. I couldn't see. Okay. You know, that's not a bad ultra. Altergeist Meluseek. Granted, after YCS Chicago, I don't know how much more viability Altergeist has. But I guess we will see. Of course, if you want an Altergeist pull, it's got to be multi-faker in Flames of Destruction. Realistically, I should have opened these out of the blisters before I started, but whatever. got another super, another Metaphys card, Metaphys Ragnarok. Ooh, that security sticker did not want me getting into this pack. Maybe that's a good sign. Not quite. Just another Metaphys card, Metaphys Executioner. Maybe I should build Metaphys. Just kidding, Metaphys is trash, unfortunately. Like, I hate saying decks are trash because I want every deck to be viable and good. But some of them are just bad, like Vendreads, FAs. Alright, second to last circuit break. Another super, unfortunately, but at least it's not a Metaphys, it is Auto Rocket Dragon. Another archetype that just failed to live up to expectations was Rockets. Like, yeah, Borreload, Borrelsword, the Boral dragons are all in that archetype, but still, like, they don't, like, they're generic. They don't have to be part of that archetype. Alright, last circuit break. Let's see what we get. Well, unfortunately, another super. This time it is Link Bumper, which we pulled yesterday as well. So, next is Cybernetic Horizon. Again, we were looking for dangers. Borrelsword would be nice too, although I don't necessarily need one. I have one. And before you can use your Borrelsword to trade for dangers. Alright, so the promos we got, Necrofusion and Spiral Super Agent. We got a Super Agent last time, but the other promo was the Eternal Galaxy. So, alright, so another super, oops, that's the wrong card. There it is. Dragoonity Sonatus. It is cool that Dragoonity's got support, but we still don't have their Link monster, so they're not terribly good right now without it. I remember when Dragoonities used to be like a meta contender. It was crazy. Them and Zectors, and Fableds even. Okay, well, we did get an Ultra. Again, not the Ultra you necessarily want from the set. If you want an Ultra, you want the Cyber Dragon stuff. Or Jackalope, of course. We have Sacred Noble Knight of King Custennin. Let me get a sleeve. Alright. Well, that was the pack hitting the floor. Maybe that'll be a good luck thing. Who knows? Not quite. Not a bad Link necessarily. Crusadia Magius, especially with Crusadia Guard Dragon doing so well at YCS Chicago. Now then, on to Soul Fusion. What do we want from this? Thunder Dragons are good trade bait for me because I'm not building them. I do need Danger Snack, Danger Tsuchinoko. Alright, so our promos are Neo Space Connector and Summon Sorceress, which are both really good. We got Summon Sorceress last time. It's always good to have extras of those, though. At least I believe. Damn it. I'm sick. I'm tired of it. I just got off work like 2.5 hours ago. Don't judge me. Okay, that is not a bad secret. We got Chaos Dragon Levianeer, which I actually needed a third of anyway. Because Fairy Tale Snow's banned, so I need something to banish stuff in mass, and this banishes 5 at a time, so definitely a good secret. And then we also got a rare that I needed too, which was Orchestrated Babel. Because I do want to build Orchists. Let me pull out the Salamangreat stuff too, because I need to make sure I have playsets of all of those. Again, pick up your Salamangreats now. There they are. So, that's kind of a bummer, because that's probably the only secret we're going to get from this. But who knows? We will see. Oh, yeah, we only got a super there, but we did get a Dino Wrestler Pankratops, which is a really good common. Another Salamangreat, and our holo was Second Expedition into Danger. Wrong danger card, Konami. Alright, last pack. Let's see what we can end with. Something above super, I hope. That's good. Poor Albus. Nope. We have another super, which, I mean, I can't say I should ask for more because, we did pull a Chaos Dragon, but Folgo Justice for Hire was our holo in that. We also got a Fright for Patchwork too, which is really good for Fluffles and Frightfurs. So, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.